Good day, I am Makri M. Balisakad, and today I will make a video presentation about types of gauges. First question is, what are these gauges used for? Plug gauges. These are go, no-go tools used to check the size of a hole. The go end must enter the hole while the no-go end must not. If this happens, the hole size is correct. Second, gauge blocks or Joe blocks. These are very accurate metal blocks used as standard measurements. They are used to check measuring tools and to help set machines for very precise work. Thickness filler gauges. Thickness or filler gauges. These are thin metal strips with different thickness. They are used to measure small gaps or clearance, especially in tight spaces. Screw pitch gauges. These tools are used to find the correct thread size of a screw or bolt. You match the gauges teeth with the threads until they fit exactly. Dial indicators. These tools measures very small movements or changes. They are used to check if a part is straight, centered, flat, or moving evenly. Two questions. Number two. Ang questions number two. Why are these gauges important? These gauges are important because they help ensure accuracy, quality, and safety while also saving time and materials. Plug and filler gauges allow quick checking without complicated measurements. Then sa gauge blocks are the basis of accurate measurement. If they are incorrect, all measurements will also be wrong. Screw pitch gauges help avoiding using the wrong screws or bolts which can damage parts. Dial indicators help find small errors early, preventing machine problems and wasted materials. Dayon sa ikatulo nga questions. How are these gauges used? Plug gauges. Um, Clean both the hole and the gauge. Insert the go end. It should fit easily. Try the no-go end. It should not fit. Never force the gauge. Gauge blocks. Um, Handle them gently to avoid heat from your hands. Clean them before use. Slide blocks together to form the needed size. Clean and lightly oil them after use. Filler gauge. Choose a blade that fits the gap. Insert it gently. Insert it gently. The correct size will slide with slight resistance. Screw pitch gauge. Match the gauge blade to the threads of the screw. When it fits perfectly, the number on the blade. Read the number of the blade. So, kanito pong dial indicator. Fix the indicator firmly in place. Touch the probe to the part and set the dial to 0. As the part moves, the needle shows the amount of movement. Number 4 na questions. How is this important in mechanical technology? In mechanical technology, accuracy is very important with making and assembling machine parts. These gauges help ensure that parts are made correctly. They help check real parts against designs. They are commonly used in a workshop, automotive repair, and manufacturing. Then they help ensure machines work properly and safely. Uh, Learning how to use these gauges is a basic and essential skill for mechanical technicians and mechanists. Okay, that's all. Thank you.